Hi everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Art is so fun. My name is David. Today I'm drawing Pepe Le Pew for you. It's a little too quick to be a tutorial, but Pepe Le Pew was created by Chuck Jones. He's a director animator, and Michael Maltese. He's a writer. He first appeared in Odar Able Kitty from Warner Brothers, Merry Melodies, 1945. Pepe Le Pew is a French skunk with a thick accent, and Pepe was a part of the golden age of American animation in the 1940s through the 1960s. He became a fan favorite for his unique personality and over-the-top romantic antics. In 1949, for Sentimental Reasons, directed by Chuck Jones, it won the Academy Award for Best Animated Short Film. So, he gets to be drawn today. Pepe appeared in many Looney Tunes shorts years later through the 1950s and made cameo appearances in later Warner Brothers projects. He appeared in Space Jam 1996, only briefly. His character has been used less frequently in recent decades due to shifting cultural views about consent and romance. Very understandable. By the 2000s, Pepe became a subject of debate. Critics argued that his relentless chase gag could be interpreted as romanticizing harassment. In 2021, Pepe was cut from Space Jam: A New Legacy, with Warner Brothers confirming he would not appear. Despite this, Pepe remains a cultural icon, that's why I'm drawing him, often referenced in discussions about classic Looney Tunes and parodying exaggerated French romance stereotypes.